Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we have completed with block 24, isn't it, children? So, let's start with last block, which is block 25, and the name of our block is data handling. Okay, data means information. Okay, children, don't get confused. Data is information. How we have to sort it out to have a clear vision on that information. Okay, to understand the information properly, how we can make the information easily understood by everyone. That is our block about. Okay, so in this, our first topic is, for any given information, it might be any information, you have to make a table. Okay, so to make a table, why we are making a table? Because to sort the things in a proper order. Okay, let's see how. Make a table using tally marks and answer the questions. Okay, you need to do the tally marks for the given data and then you have to answer the questions also. Okay, so let's see. So here you can see some fruits. Isn't it, children? You have some fruits and you have to make a table for this data, for this information of fruits. Okay, how can you make? What are the fruits here? What are the different fruits you have? You have a apple, a banana, a mango. Okay, three fruits you have: apple, banana and mango. How many are there? See, to count here it becomes difficult. 1 2 3 4 5 6 banana apples you have, isn't it? And 1 2 3 4 bananas you have, and mangoes you have 1 2 3. So like counting like this makes us difficult. So here only few fruits are there. Think that there are 50 fruits, mixture of pineapple, apple, banana, mango, oranges all together. Then to sort them, to tell them how many are there, to tell which fruit is less, which fruit is more, that becomes difficult, isn't it? That's why we'll make the table. So here we have fruits, so we will make a table for fruit like this. Okay, fruits, that means which fruit it is it banana, is it apple, is it mango, is it orange, is it pineapple, is it watermelon? Whichever fruit, you have to write the name of the fruits here. And here number of fruits. For example, apple, how many apples are there? 6 apples are there, so 6. For example, pineapples are there, 3 pineapples. So here you will write the pineapple. How many pineapples? 3 pineapples. You will write 3 pineapples. Banana. So you will write banana and there are 4 bananas. So you will write 4 bananas here. Okay, children. So in this way you need to make the table and write it. Okay. Now let's start with apples. So apples. How many apples are there, children? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there, isn't it? So write 6. Now we have to do the tally marks. How we can do? So tally marks is nothing but writing standing lines like this. Okay, how many we have to write? According to the number of fruits, 6 fruits are there, so 6 lines we have to draw to show the tally mark. But let's see how. So 1 you have already written, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 you finished, isn't it? The fifth one should be crossing over 4, fifth. So whenever, see, if you draw continuously 6 like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6, again you need to count, no? For example, there are so many lines. How many are there? Again you need to count: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, so to avoid this, what we do is we will draw 4 lines and strike out with the fifth line. For example, think that here 14 are there. So 5, by looking at the slanting line, it tells us that it is 5, not 4. Okay, now see. This is 5 and 2 more we have. That means 7, isn't it? So to avoid the confusion, to avoid the repeated counting, we'll slash off the fifth line with the four lines. For four lines, you'll strike it out with the fifth line. Okay, so now here how many are there? Five are there, isn't it? One more you have to draw, so you'll draw one, which becomes 6. So this is your 5 and this is your 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 apples we have. In that way, you need to draw the tally marks. Okay, children? Next, bananas. How many bananas do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So only 4 bananas. So you will write 4 and you will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next, mangoes we have. So mangoes, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 mangoes. So you will write 3 and 3 standing lines in the tally marks. Okay, children. So in this way, you need to draw the tally marks. For example, one more fruit is there, which is pineapple. So here you will write pineapple. Pineapple. For suppose there are 8 here. So 8. So what you will write? 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth line. 5 we finished. 6, 7, 8. In that way you need to go on. If there are more fruits, again you have guava, you have pear, you have watermelon. In that way you can increase the fruits. Okay, now after writing all the fruits, we need to calculate how many fruits are there in total. Now here this is 6 apples, 4 bananas and 3 mangoes, isn't it? How many are there together? All fruits together also we need to do, which is total fruits. This becomes C. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. 10 plus 3 becomes 13, isn't it? So you'll write 13. Okay, children? And after making the table with the tally marks, there might be questions like, how many apples are there? So you need to go to apples. How many are there? 6. So you'll write the answer as 6. Okay. How many bananas are there? So you'll go to bananas and then write 4. How many mangoes are there? You'll go to mangoes and write 3. Now, for example, if they ask you which fruit is less in number, that means number of fruits are less. So here you have 6, 4, 3. 3 is the less number, isn't it? So you will write mangoes. Okay. For example, which fruit is more in number? More. So 6 is the bigger number, isn't it? Biggest number here. So apples. So you will write apples. So which fruit is in more in number? Apples. Okay, children? Yes. So in this way, you will get the questions after making the table. So you have to answer those questions looking at the table. Okay, children? So write this in your classwork. There are some questions from this table in your daily schedule. Try to copy it down in your class book. Okay, Nana? Now coming to your homework, complete the volume book 3, page number 46, S1, making a table. Okay, so in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.